guys, welcome to our channel. In this video you will see how to play songs offline in your phone without any application. So the first way is that you have to download the song, and how you will download the song, I'll give the link in the description of the video. How to download songs, your favorite songs in gallery. I just uploaded it yesterday. So let's first of all I will show you in my files that what sounds I have, and it's really difficult to play on Google Files because it will not work like a playlist or a folder. So I also give the application in the description or the link of the application in the description, and also you can see the whole video so you will understand how to do it. Look, in this way you cannot play one by one, it will be so difficult. So you will search on Google option music player and you will download this application. Its name is music player mp3 player. So I just need to update it, and leave the update. I'll just show you how to do it. Open it, and look, it has also just widgets as well. You will open it, and there are option folders. You can also do from folders, or you can search or make a playlist of your own songs you want. Look, I have made a playlist of songs, so I'll play by myself. It's as the video is muted, so you can't listen to the song. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Comment